Electricity is one of the most important forms of energy in our modern world. But have you ever wondered how electricity is actually formed? To understand this, we need to start with the basics of matter. Everything around us is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Inside each atom, there are even smaller particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons carry a positive charge.
Neutrons have no charge, and electrons carry a negative charge.
Electricity is formed when electrons move from one place to another.
This movement of electrons creates an electric current.
In simple words, electricity is the flow of charged particles, mainly electrons.
Now, the question is, how do we make these electrons move? There are several ways to generate electricity.
For example, when you rotate a turbine using water, wind, or steam, it spins a magnet inside coils of wire.
This movement creates a flow of electrons, producing electricity. This process is based on a principle called electromagnetic induction. Another way electricity is formed is through chemical reactions. Batteries are a perfect example.
From charging our devices to powering our entertainment, electricity is the heartbeat of the modern home.
Understanding how it forms helps us appreciate its importance and use it more efficiently.
Electricity powers our homes, industries, and technologies. Even at night, this team harnesses the power of collaboration, driving modern industry forward. The flow of electric charge, moving through circuits and wires, is what ultimately powers the tools we use and the everyday lights illuminating our homes and workspaces.
Whether it is generated by machines, chemical reactions, sunlight, or natural forces, the basic idea remains the same.
As you can see in the visualization, electricity is simply the flow of electrons. When a circuit is complete, these electrons move rapidly.
This is lightning, one of the most dramatic examples of natural electricity.
In nature, electricity is also formed in the form of lightning.
When released, this charge can cause a small spark.
As I rub the balloon against my sweater, I'm transferring electrons. Now, watch as the static charge attracts the paper.
Electricity can also be produced using sunlight.
Solar panels capture energy from the sun and convert it into electrical energy using photovoltaic cells.
These cells absorb sunlight and release electrons, generating electricity in a clean and renewable way.
This movement creates a flow of electrons, producing electricity.
Inside this cross-section, you can see the anodes and cathodes. This mechanism is what allows it to power devices like this phone and this flashlight.
Inside a battery, chemical reactions occur that push electrons from one terminal to another, creating a steady flow of electricity. One common method is through generators. A generator works by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy.
During a storm, charges build up in clouds, and when the difference becomes too great, a powerful discharge occurs.
Electricity is one of the most important forms of energy in our modern world.